You know what one Ford said to the other Ford? Hey?
What?
None of your Falcon business. Figured the problem out.
Trap door.
Yeah. That's nasty. What a nasty piece. There we go, Josh. Look at that. For a network engineer, you did make a good welder.
Looks awful on video.
It looked good when we've ground it. What's that hole there you haven't fixed yet? My God. Actually, I might just panel beat that a bit. Another patch. See? It goes around to that side, which we haven't ground yet. Looks pretty ugly. In fact, I'm going to grind it and then show you. Oh, that was today's mission, if we can get there with it. Well, I'll tell you what we have done up till now. We've welded a plate in here because that was all no good, and we didn't film much of that. Might have a bit of time lapse.
Oh, I think I filmed a little. I filmed a little bit.
Have we?
Yeah.
Anyway, so you get the idea. Not much, but it's not just a plate. It's pretty boring. Couple of little holes. Just spot them up. We placed this section here, which we haven't ground back yet, and which was, nice to get done. And it's always a bit of a naggy spot, but it fits. I've checked it with the inner wheel tub, and it fits perfectly. The last bit is there's a little bit of rust just in this section here, so I've just made a plate for this now. That will go in there like so, but maybe not all the way. Just so it's fresh and nice. It's an easy fix. And then we're ready to prepare the wheel tubs to put in, and that'll be just exciting.
Cool.
Once the wheel tub's in, well, then we're just going on holidays. We're going to lie on a sandy beach with palm trees and margaritas.
You wouldn't lay on a sandy beach if someone paid you to do it.
I might if I had a banana chair and there was various scantily dressed women around.
Can I ask when the last time your feet touched bare ground was, besides the shower floor? Princess here.
You leave my feet out of it.
Always more rust to be found before the wheel tub goes in.
Update before Josh comes back. We welded a plate in there, and we welded a plate in there. Don't know if we showed you round back. We welded plates all along in here, which isn't perfect, but we're well It's under the fuel tank here, and etc. So that's all thing. And now the next thing is we're just going to weld in the wheel tub. She's ready to rock and roll. So the next shot will be the wheel tub being in. Maybe we'll do some time lapse too. Cheerio. This is the bit we have to extend and repair, or not repair, just extend with this new inner wheel tub. I'm just trying to give you a demo. That'll get welded, oh, I can't see. That'll get welded along there. Well, actually, I'm going to weld it on this side. I'll show you in a minute what it looks like. It gets cut, and then we need a little, can't see, there you go, a little triangle piece in there, and that's it. And that's a mongrel job. Good luck for anybody who has to do it. It's a little fiddly job because you want it to look the same as the other side, don't you? So it's easier said than done. And anyway, Josh is going to weld that. I'll take you back in a minute. This is it welded in now. We haven't done the end yet, of course. And yeah, so it's still a bit hot. We're going to grind, just tidy it up. And let's take the wheel tub out, you reckon?
Yeah, have a look.
And, okay. Oops. Looks pretty good. Let's.
And from the inside.
Pretty good, actually. Yep. Okay. This is working on our back quarter still, and this is just the last little piece we're putting in, and then we'll have had the shape. We ground it, we welded it there and along there to extend it, and now we're swelling that little quarter in, and then Bob's her uncle.
It actually looks like a ute from here.
Yeah, it does. I tell you what,
We've been working on that side.
this is going to be one nice ute one day. There's a dent in there, we have to fix that. The things you ignore, eh?
Wait, well, it's upside down, you don't see it.
That's true. I'll tell you what, I'm going to have to buy
Well, that in tomorrow.
We're about to install, or is it install? Install the wheel tub, the outer wheel tub. And that's the end, which it's all new. Actually from, I don't know, there. That was a bloody boring job again. That's the full walk around. That's the inside. I wanted to show you because we haven't painted the inside because there's no need to. You can access it later. And this is about to go in, so we're going to do a time lapse of this going in, which will only take 10 minutes because it's all in the preparation. The devil's in the details. So it's all prepared here, all weld through primer, it's all treated in there as best as I could, which is what it's pretty solid. It's a pretty solid, getting sidetracked here, sill. And so it's all prepared, ready to go in, painted or with weld through, whatever it takes. All right, should we weld it in, Josh? what's happening is there's a crack there. We've welded them together. Every time you do the grinding, the metal shards and bits and pieces falls in the crack and you can't get it out. So this time I've decided to seam seal it first.
Yeah, you look fine for your age.
What do you mean? I'm nearly 80.
You got a real spring in your step then, don't you? Alright. It's in.
All the young guys reckon I've got 1 foot in the grave. Yeah. Voila. It's in. Done. Perfect. Just need some... I used to call it body shoots, but now they call it under seal or under something.
You have all this, you have this paint right there?
Yeah.
Yeah, a lot of it.
Is it all better now?
Nope. Other side.
Anyway, so that's done. So next is we'll button up the end here so that it's 100% done, and we'll do this section here. So that's 100% done. Can you see this section here? Moi and moi. And what I'm very happy about, it's all, everything's 100% back where it was. Like really back exactly how it came. So it's not that it really matters because the car was just crap. And, this panel's not in the same place as the other side, and that's where they fitted it from factory. So, but anyway, it has character. What can we say? That goes in next. After that, this is just sitting here at the moment. So I just thought I'd put it in because it looks good. It makes me feel good when it's in. Then we'll finish off this section here with the front outer sill. The inner sill's all done, but we've got a little bit of weld there. We'll do that at the same time. Grind back some welds. And some other ones under here we'll grind back too. I tell you, I hate grinding welds. It's just the pits. It's the worst job ever. And if there's any volunteer out there that just loves grinding back welds, hey, put your hand up. Because it is just a laboriously boring task. Anyway, so that'll be at least a video or so to get that all done.
You should take the chair out and flip the car over.
What for?
So we can set up the right way and actually see the wheel tubs.
This is the other side that Josh wanted to show you. And it's really satisfying having 2 wheel tubs in.
Yes.
Not 1, but 2. Get dirty, that one's got.
Need to clean.
Yeah, I've got something else to show you soon. We'll do a video on that next, okay?